PJ Mac HVAC Service and Repair in Malvern, Pennsylvania, providing heating and air conditioning repair, installation, and maintenance services for residential and commercial customers. Our commercial HVAC company installs all brands of furnaces and air conditioners and provides AC system repair services. We also put in thermostats, air purifiers, mini-split systems, humidifiers, and dehumidifiers. Call our commercial HVAC company today if you have any questions. Are you looking for a commercial HVAC company near me? You can stop looking. You found PJ Mac HVAC Service and Repair. What do I need to know about commercial HVAC? A commercial HVAC system's goal is to keep building occupants comfortable with high-quality air at 72 degrees and 40 to 60% humidity. What is considered light commercial HVAC? Light commercial refers to large split systems with a capacity of 3 to 25 tons, used in restaurants, retail malls, office buildings, gyms, and more. What is your service area for the Malvern, Pennsylvania service office? Our commercial HVAC service has served Malvern, Fraser, DeVoe, Kimberton, Malvern Hunt, Chester Springs, Phoenixville, Westchester, Paoli, East Whiteland Township, Charlestown Township, Willstown, Exton, Phoenixville Pike, East Whiteland, Pennsylvania. Where is your Malvern, Pennsylvania commercial HVAC office located? We are located at 627 Swedesford Road, Malvern, Pennsylvania 19355. Our phone number is 610-424-6448. Visit our website www.pjmachvac.com/Swedesford-Road-Malvern-HVAC-service.